What's up everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Struggling to get your Brother HL 6200DW connected to Wi-Fi? Setting up wireless printing might seem tricky at first, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you have to use Printer's control panel, download the driver, and complete the setup, you will learn everything by the end of this guide. And one more thing, if you need more help at any point, then you can call us at the given numbers. Now, let's get your Brother printer connected and ready to go. Go to your Brother printer control panel and keep pressing the up button until you see the network option. After that, press OK button to select the network option. Use the up arrow button once again to select WLAN option and then press OK. Next, you need to navigate to Setup Wizard option and hit the OK button. Once you see the WLAN Enable option, then press the up arrow button. Now, choose your network name and then press OK. After that, use the up and down arrow key to type in your network password and then press OK button. Once you see the Apply settings on the screen, then press the up arrow button and the wireless connection will be complete. If you have successfully connected your Brother printer to wireless router, then let's jump to the next step for setup. Alright, now grab your Mac and open the web browser. Just search for Brother printer driver along with your printer's model number. From the search result, simply click on Correct Brother Support link. Once the page opens, select your operating system and then choose the exact version you're using. Now, scroll down a bit and find a full software package and click on it. On the next screen, scroll down and agree to license agreement. After the download finishes, open the file and click on Start Here Mac. Also, if these steps are easy to follow for you, then subscribe to our channel. When a pop-up appears, just click on Open to move ahead. Next, select I agree, then hit Next. Make sure wireless network connection is selected, and once that's done, click on Next. When you see the printer series name on the screen, select it and click on Next. Now the installer wizard will guide you. Just keep clicking on Continue until you reach the Install option. Click on Install and let it do its thing. Once it's finished, click on Close and minimize all windows. After that, click on Add Printer button in the pop-up window. Finally, select your printer from the list and click on Add, and that's it. Your printer is now connected and ready to use.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.